Yo, Bill. Yo.
What the girl name? What the girl name? Come here for me. Who you look for, sir? Tell me who you look for, sir? Who you look for, sir?
Stop bumbo clad. Yo, you fucking neck one,
Who
you.
you look for, sir?
Yo, you see anytime you look up me out of this, I'm going to milk off your bumbo clad head off your body here. Yeah, post, Kalisha. So we have put this in front
and
of
you feel
me.
like say, yes, babe, I'm going to give me a surprise. She come down here to give me a nice surprise, you have a lot of class. I did, they don't even know say I did, I come down and be dead. What's up, guys? I don't know, say it's your girl CC, and today I'm back with another freaking epic video, guys. Yeah, when you look on the time, guys, you know, say we're not going to follow some of our another inch here, and our another bangad video, yeah. So before we get into the video, guys, I want to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, comment down below. I just want to say thank you guys so much for 22 subscribers. Really appreciate it, guys. Manala, I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you for each and every support. Thank you guys. Thank you so much, guys. More as you get the notification, you know, leave a like and comment down below. Come on, ask Christ if this is not epic, you know, guys. I'm gonna ask Christ. Yes, so I know so this is by the society. So I'm tell you what I'm gonna do. Today, I'm gonna act up Nathan. I'm gonna deal with the boy bad, very bad. Me sit down. I 3 days now when I post, right? I'm sit down and I think about some things. I think about some nice idea, guys. I tell you, say I go and lick Nathan left, right, and send that. I go do watch me on him. So yeah, I'm tell you what I'm gonna do. So what I'm gonna do is I go blindfold the boy. I go get one chair, right? I'm gonna do it right. So I'm gonna do it. Yeah. So I'm gonna hurry up. I go video and show him when time reach right at the door. You see me here, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I go blindfold the boy, get one chair, bring it down, and I go time on the chair, and I go, yeah, as me say, I go blindfold and I go time on the chair and something. And what I go do is I go get one scissors or one knife, and I go give him 2 juke with the scissors or the knife, and I go tell him say, I have one dream say you cheat on me. Worse in the cartoon, guys, I go tell him say, my dream say you cheat on me. Yeah. When I got told you cheat on me. Yeah. Hey guys, I go and deal with the boy bad. Guys, just watch the video. I want to like up the video, guys. I'm gonna like up the video. Go over to my channel, subscribe, guys, and just watch what I go another video, you know. And guys, I wanna talk truth if this not, if you say this not epic, I lie when what say. So I just stay tuned, support the thing. I love you, thanks for 22K again. Like up the video as I get the notification bell and subscribe. And to all the new subscribers, welcome our dear one family them. Big up on yourself. Yeah, so my old guys and just watch what I go on. So yeah guys, see Nathan here, I'm just yeah. Me buy one. I have one surprise here. Watch ya? Serious something, on a joke thing. You notice me not laugh or nothing, I have one surprise for you, to be honest. You want the surprise? I want, I not have to tell you, I not tell you. Be on a joke. A serious something. Make say me have something for you, you have to come for it. Come now, be me have something for you, you want to know too much. You want it or you don't want it? You want it? Eh? Let me see a smile if you want it. Smile now? You don't want it? Alright, I'll give somebody else it then. They come feed them now, come on. But you come like you don't want it. You're not excited, you don't want it, you don't want more? Yeah. You remember me they promise you something from a long time there? You don't want it? Guys, don't just stay tuned. We soon get back to you. So, guys, may I bring the chair, go down there, and soon come, guys. I'm supposed to get on him, we are coming there in our office, guys. But me want to hurry up and set up the thing because me go frig it back. Guys, you know I said this is epic. I forgot to say what if I something. Yeah. So yeah guys, try spots. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and comment down below. This me I go use and blindfold the boy and him I bring the stuff with them I go use and tie down on the chair cause what me I go do is I go tie down the boy on the chair. Yeah. Okay? I go tell him say Nathan I know you stay and when I get to yeah. What you mean by you're not in a foolish? Me say I have one surprise for you. Why problem? I'm not excited and I want the surprise. Me not in no foolishness. You see me a laugh or something? And that's why we don't get things, you know, because when you think say everything is a joke. What am I tell you? Bomba, relax, man. Relax. You're supposed to be excited. Alright, I'm excited. You just make me feel one way like, you know them type of way there? B, I just want to say I love you so much. And when me again, you really deserve it because you're the best boyfriend in the entire world. Me I tell you. You make me I tell you. B, I love you. You make me happy, babes. Me say it's not no foolishness. Easy, me say no foolishness, babes. And I believe in a woman, I feel like some I got the foolish there. Oh my god, you're looking so beautiful, waiting for your surprise, baby. Hey, me know you gonna love it, B. Me not ask Christ. Me know. Me know. Yeah, so them there. Yeah, but, look how long I push do my foot. Right, that's it. So, what do you mean by tie eye? So, I don't want you to see your walk. Want me to see you? You don't know how surprised someone go. You're going like you're used to it.
Mosquito bite. I saw you going to see when them bite.
Me box them too.
If you want to feel me off here. You know, but...
I see that, but you know the oh.
What the fuck did I mosquito, man?
Come now, start the bad water.
Okay. If you have one mosquito bite, then you have to... Ow!
Hush now?
Yeah, see mosquito in my neck.
Hush.
Where you lick me so?
You know say something me and come be me have to tie your hand because I know how you stay when it comes to surprise. When I see the surprise I get too good? When I see the... Nathan! Come, put your hand behind you. Because when time I get the surprise I'm too excited so I feel like you know, tie your hand because I know when you jump up and grab it. How you stay so?
You must have quite no fun.
I first you get mosquito bite? Come on.
Don't tie it.
Yeah, good?
Yeah.
Give me a hand because where it be? I love you. So give me a hand. I know you're going to love it.
What?
Put on the end. I know when you grab the present and make it drop.
What me hand? So what you going to do with your hand, Kalisha?
G's and P.
I tell you one thing.
I feel like I don't bother one key.
A slave I take man for?
Nobody not take it for no sleep.
So where you tie up me hand for?
You just surprise me, I go give you. Me know why you give me to your hand, Nathan. Something wrong with your hand?
The blood clot, they say 2 times.
Who you cuss bad word off for? Eh? Who you cuss bad word off for? Me dream say you cheat for me. Today when I go down a town.
Look there, look there. Kalisa, look.
You cheat for me. What the girl name when you cheat for me with? Me ask you. What the girl name? Me go kill her. What the girl name when you cheat for me with? Me dream say you cheat for me and me not laugh with you. What the girl name? Talk to me now.
Fix me.
Talk to me.
And too tight.
Me say what the girl name?
Which girl you talk about?
Me get a dream say you cheat for me. My dream not tell no lie now. What the girl name? What she name? Talk up. Me say talk up. Talk up. Talk up. What she name?
What she name? Me don't do that, Kalisa. Take it out of my face.
Me no know. When I got told, me not did that with her now. What the girl name?
Kalisa, the chair broke.
Me no business. Where girl name? Me say what the girl name?
Kalisa, take the scissors out of my face.
Kill the little boy.
Kalisa, you have the scissors too near.
Me say what the girl
and that
name?
can't go on YouTube because you can't have the scissors.
What the girl name? What the girl name?
You can't have the scissors in my face and that will have to go on YouTube. I know YouTube is strict already. Stop with your phone.
What go on YouTube?
This is coming like a murder.
What go on YouTube? I kill me, I go kill you. I'm soon dig your damn grave. What the girl name?
Kalisa, me say.
Kalisa, me say. Kalisa, me say. Kalisa what? Kalisa, this a tie what you can't do. You're dead. He's a dead man. What you can't do? Me say what the girl name? Me say. Father God, me know say you're not telling a lie. Me say me see this boy a cheat for me and I'm asleep. And him not even make me enter because me there the door holder in the dream, you know.
What the bum?
Are you good on a tone? Are you good on a tone? You go cheat for me. You say what the girl name? After me kill you, a she me I go find out. Me no business. I could have town. I could have done in a dragon battle when me I go down in a go kill him. So make me know what your name.
So you go on, Kalisa.
What you mean? What you mean?
Alright, so
me say what the girl name?
Kalisa, bring me, you know, so me not do that.
You may call me that. Me say what the girl name? Come like you're not afraid of your life, though.
Oh.
You're not afraid of your life.
Kalisa, you can't say, yo, that damn a post.
You feel like say, you feel, don't tempo one a post. You see me a video now,
that can't post, Kalisa. So we are put this in front of me.
And you feel like say, yes, babe, I can give me a surprise. She come down here to give me a nice surprise, the blood clot. I dead, they even know say I dead, I come down and be dead.
Yeah, I'm okay. I love you.
Me say what the girl name. What's she name?
Please, they can't have the scissors.
Please what?
Suppose to move
what the girl
so. Kalisa supposed to move so.
Me say what the girl name? What the girl name?
You know say that I pre up the day. Yeah, there's a push the scissors.
What the girl name?
Fire.
What the girl name? What the girl?
You see you have the bomb clan feet. Yo.
What the girl name?
Kalisa, take this off from me. Yo, my Anna squeeze my take off.
What the girl name?
Kalisa, I'm gonna fuck you up. You're a bomb clan wicked girl.
Who are wicked girl?
Who are wicked
girl? Who are wicked girl?
Yeah, boy, but the people in cheer, Kalisa.
Who are wicked girl? Who you call wicked girl?
Kalisa, my Anna squeeze my
wicked girl to get dream and tie up and want to kill you. I say my dream say you cheat for me. The dream not tell no lie. Don't cuss nobody word after me. After you go cheat for me, you want to come give me talk. I lie my dream I tell you. Me believe my dream over you and I lie my dream I tell.
Kalisa, look, yo.
If I lie my dream.
Yo, take that out of my face.
Yeah, you want me to deal like for the man nice show?
Kalisa.
For the girl name.
Kalisa, take that out of my face. And the man feel like me a laugh.
You see all along, me a go with them, Head up to you, you know. All of a sudden you just start cheat. Because my dream a show me say you are cheating, you know.
Yo,
what you gonna do? Let's try what you gonna do.
See, yo.
What?
Kalisa, pull this off from me. Stop.
We are get tough talk.
No man,
we are get tough talk. Yeah man, make it squeeze. Yeah, more harder. What the girl name?
Kalisa, Kalisa, cut this off from me and my youth. Fuck you up, you know.
I know you don't answer me what the girl name. You feel like me laugh with you? Nathan, you feel like me a laugh with you? You feel like me a laugh with you? Alright.
No, not
what
like
the girl
this.
name? Yeah, talk. What's your name? What's your name? What's the girl name?
Yo, Bill. Yo.
What the girl name? What the girl name? Move your hand for me.
Stop.
What the girl name? You got first step. What the girl name?
Please, stop.
What the girl name?
Kalisha, me not do nothing. Anna bun me. Anna bun me. Look there. Stop, my man. Kalisha, my blood stop with me. Let's cut off this off of my hand, no, Kalisha.
What girl name? Just tell me what girl name. Call one name. What girl name? What
No
girl
girl
name?
like that, Kalisha.
You not cheap for me. I like dream.
Kalisha, dream that.
No! Dream talk to sometime. I know say I true the dream. I say where the girl name later and I'm not going to kill her be. After me.
Kalisha, you make the peace. Yo, don't my yo.
What the girl name? What the girl name?
Kalisha, never fuck up your. Yo, you see you bumbo clad. Yo, anytime.
Me what?
Yo.
Hmm?
Yo, you see if you ever make me get out of this, Kalisha.
You know I get out of this. Oh, you gonna get away? Tell me, oh, you gonna get away? Hmm? Who you look for, sir? Tell me, who you look for, sir? Who you look for, sir?
Stop bumbo clad. Yo, you fucking neck, man,
Who
yo.
you look for, sir?
Yo, you see anytime you look up me out of this, I'll flick off your bumbo clad head off your body here. Kalisha, come pull out me now, my youth.
Me not pull you out, me say. Me not pulling you out. Yeah, me not pull you out. Guys, you see all my foot dirty? You see all my foot dirty?
Kalisha, video you say you do some height and you think this is going to go on a bumbo clad. You think this is going to go on a YouTube, my youth. Kalisha, move from back on here. Bumbo, yo.
Hey, no, me not ask Christ if this door epic. Me not ask Christ. When the son make boy ball out, me not ask Christ. He can't even get up. Watch ya.
Yo, you think we have bumbo clad laugh with your youth? Yo,
hey, me know say this is go epic.
Take that off of you.
Take what off of you. Watch out!
Take that off of you. Take that off.
Oh God, I made that hurt me.
Kalisha, come take off.
What the girl name? Come and cut you. Come and cut you. What the girl name?
Stop.
What the girl name? What the girl? What the
stop.
what the girl name? You tell me? What the girl? What the girl?
Please stop. Please don't. Please.
Me what the girl name? Come give me a troops. The babes are troops.
I love you.
Who you call wicked girl? Who, you don't love me, baby?
Man, please.
Alright, my baby. Hush. Hush, my baby. If you ever try, when I pull you, see, you kill you in your sleep. Remember, say you sleep, that you know. Yeah. Guys, no, I know say this epic.
Ow. You still have video?
Yeah, I still have video. When me I cut loose the boy. We got your arm, we got yes, that time for the cherry. Come on, full you. Who you that run? You see you? Me I help you and you run me down.
Ow.
Why you do that? Watch how you want to cut all yourself big. Come on, stop, man. Me done. Come, molly something. Stretch it out. I'll cut it.
Come eat it.
Be an idiot that you cut it?
Kalisha, that nah post, you know. That
nah
me, you know.
post?
Can you see me up there, this one, man? This is a car,
Yes. Come be. How you feel? How you feel? Guys, want to know, like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Come now, ask Christ. I'm not ask twice if this not epic. When the son make boy ball out. When boy get lick off who fired off for body. Guys, want to like, share, comment, and subscribe because when you see the boy Nathan just get pranked. Yay! How you feel, V? How you feel? Maybe the epic, I not ask Christ. Hey, I not run from here, you know, because when you prank me have to take prank. If you can't take prank, no man no like take prank. Guys, want to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and if you're new, welcome to CC and Nathan, and turn on the post notification and make sure it's on a mix out. Miss a banger video for a week. Tell the people them how you feel. We are talk to sir. We are left here. Nathan, come bring up a chair. Don't let me have me. Come bring up a chair. Guys, you can be Nathan left a chair. Right there, see there? Guys, I love you now. Peace out. Remember to follow up on Instagram. I love you now. I'm out.